everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie and this is Sorority Recruitment 101, the only channel dedicated to answering the questions you may have about what it's like to be in a sorority in college and what it's like to go through sorority recruitment at a big university. Before I talk about anything in this video, I want to say we hit 100 subscribers. This is so exciting. I can't believe our family has grown this much and I can't thank you enough for all the support you guys have shown me since I began this channel. In some of my previous videos, you've heard me say that we have a big announcement coming up. Well, today is the day you finally get to hear about the project I've been working on and I can't wait to share it with you. Well, here it is. I've decided to launch a sorority recruitment survival kit full of all of the things you guys could possibly need for going through sorority recruitment. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and tell you exactly what's in the kit. First, I want to talk to you about why I wanted to create a sorority recruitment survival kit. As much as I love sharing information with you guys, and I will continue to do so, I want to do something even more to help you guys get through recruitment feeling at your best and feeling the most confident. Sorority recruitment at big universities tends to last about a week, and the days are long. You tend to leave your dorm in the morning and not make it back there until after 7 p.m. Having recruitment last all day means that you can't go back to your dorm to grab a hairbrush, fix your hair, get hairspray or deodorant. You need to pack all of that with you. I went back on my experience going through sorority recruitment at the University of Alabama twice and really sat down and thought about what I needed throughout the week and what I always wanted to have in my bag. So I came up with a list of the top 15 things that I needed in my bag and threw them in a kit for you. This makes it so easy for you to have all of your essential items in one bag. That way you know where everything is. You just throw our recruitment survival kit in your bag and you're good to go. The bag measures 7.5 inches long, 6.5 inches tall, and about 1.5 inches thick. This makes it super easy for you to just throw in your tote and carry around with you all day so all of your things are in one place. All right, so who's ready to see what's in it? Let's get right into this unboxing. Like I said, this bag is very easy to carry around. It even has a wristlet strap if you wanted to just carry this around during recruitment. And we also decided to go with a clear bag so you can see all the products inside, and that way it's easy for you to grab exactly what you need. So you just unzip the top. The first thing is a hand sanitation wipe. These are great with everything going on right now, but also if your hands get a little dirty and you need to clean them off, it's an easy grab for you to just wipe your hands clean. The second thing in our bag is chapstick. Now, I'm one of those girls that has a chapstick in my car, in my backpack, in my room, in my bathroom. I always need to have a chapstick with me. So I know I needed to include this. It's vanilla flavored and it's actually a beeswax chapstick, so it leaves your lips feeling super smooth and moisturized. The next thing is deodorant. Going to school at Alabama, sorority recruitment is in August. And if you've been in Alabama in August, you know it is hot. And you need to bring deodorant with you to touch up throughout the day. So I decided to include a mini one in our survival kit. The next thing is a stain remover stick. Now, during recruitment, you go to lunch with your recruitment group, and sometimes you end up spilling stuff on yourself. So to get that stain out, definitely use our stain remover stick. It's like a Tide to Go pen. All you do is click it, rub it around the stain, and it'll be easier to get out in the wash later on. Next up is Band-Aids. You never know when you're gonna need a Band-Aid for either a cut or even blisters from the shoes you're wearing, so we decided to include a little pack for you guys. The next up is hairspray. This makes it super easy for you to touch up those flyaways and get your hair looking perfect to head into every house. The next thing in our kit is tissues. I decided to include these because sometimes you get sweaty, you wanna blot yourself clean, you have a stuffy nose, allergies, or sometimes even you might get upset, so it's always good to have tissues on hand. The next thing is a tampon. Ladies, we all know sometimes we get surprise visits and you don't know when it's coming, so these are always great to have on hand, and I figured we definitely need this in our recruitment survival kit. The next thing is our hair care. Here, I have a hair tie for you and also some bobby pins in case you want to pin your hair away or tie your hair up in between parties. And the next thing in our kit is a pen. Like I've told you in my previous videos, it's so important to take notes in between every single house. That way you remember what happened. Recruitment can be a whirlwind, so always take notes after each house. The next thing in our kit is mints. You're gonna be talking to a lot of people during recruitment, and you're gonna need to freshen up your breath as the day goes on. So I included some of these, that way you feel fresh and ready to go into your next house. The next thing in our kit is a nail file. I decided to include one of these because I hate getting hangnails, or if I break my nail, I like being able to fix it right away. So I figured, why not throw this in there as well? So the 15th and final product of our sorority recruitment survival kit, and my favorite, is this. It's a 3-in-1 hairbrush and sewing kit. So the way to use it is you open it up like this. It has a mirror if you want to touch up your makeup or see how your hair's looking. And it's just one of those retractable brushes that you push out and you can push right back in to store it. And the sewing kit is actually underneath. So what you do is you twist it this way and you pull it off. And there's your mini sewing kit. I think it's so cool. It has a safety pin in there in case your dress rips or something. So I'm so excited to have this in the kit. It's my favorite part. All right, you guys, so that's the unboxing and all 15 items that are in our Sorority Recruitment Survival Kit. And if you've come across this video and you're not going through sorority recruitment, these kits are also great just to have in your car or in your backpack because it's full of daily items that you could need at any time. Also, a lot of NCAA and Major League sports arenas require a clear bag policy now. So once you finish all the products in the kit, you can use the bag to get into the stadium. You can put all of your necessary items with it. It follows the guidelines of all of the arenas, and it even has a wristlet for you to hold on to. So where can you get one of these sorority recruitment survival kits? You can head right to our website, sratrecruitment101.com/shop, and get yours today. We ship all over the United States. Just know that the shipping might take a little bit longer than anticipated due to COVID-19. Now, don't go away yet because I have a surprise for you. If you purchase one of our sorority recruitment survival kits by Saturday, June 20th, you get a free water bottle with your purchase. It's 16 ounces, so it holds a lot of water to keep you hydrated throughout the day and throughout the week of recruitment. Now, I know our kit keeps everything in one place, and that remains true with the water bottle as well. The water bottle actually fits in the loop on your bag, so everything still stays in one place. I've been working on this project for so long, and I'm so excited I'm finally able to share it with you guys, and you guys can finally order it for recruitment. Now, don't worry, I'm still gonna be posting videos twice a week talking about tips and tricks for recruitment and also my experience being in a sorority at Alabama. So comment some topics you want me to make videos about down below, and also subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, head over to our website, sratrecruitment101.com/shop to get your sorority recruitment survival kit today. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.